feeling right there. When you clicked on this video not knowing it was gonna be a black guy talking about cars. That's how much this car shocked me. This car is very well balanced for what it is. And what it is not too fast. And it handles well, really good. Aside from the slight turbo lag, you'll hardly remember that this is a four-banger. This is the 2021 BMW 230i. I feel like this 230 is a modern day E30, even a 2002 turbo. Now that begs the question, what else do you really need as a fun daily? This is not the M variant, which I think would fill the void of what this car is missing. Maybe also a 6-speed. To build this car to my preference, it needs some suspension upgrades, and a tune to tweak the boost and smoothen out the throttle response a little, to have it a little bit more linear and predictable. There's also noticeable boost lag, especially without there being launch control, but I'm sure a tune could fix all of that. Everything else about this car is almost perfect. I hope you enjoyed my little movie, and I'll be trying to do one of those for every car that I review. So subscribe for more and enjoy the drive.
Extreme ways are back again, extreme places I didn't know. I broke everything new again.